ScanSnap iX1400. Beautifully simple, effortlessly efficient. The one-touch scanning experience provides a no-fuss operation, making it easy for you to manage all your documents in one easy solution. By opening the cover, the scanner powers up and is ready to scan immediately. It connects simply with USB. The feeder holds up to 50 pages at a time and scans at an amazing 40 pages per minute, meaning you get more done in less time. The efficiency of the iX1400 resides in its advanced paper feeding technologies, which reduces misfeeds and paper jams, ensuring a quick and seamless scanning experience like no other. Scanning A3 size documents is a breeze with carrier sheets. The ScanSnap Home software will stitch both sides together automatically. Being able to scan various sized documents in one batch means no laborious paper preparation is needed. It produces the best quality images automatically without the need to adjust settings, making it just that simple to use. Images can be saved into PDFs, searchable PDFs, and JPEGs. After scanning, you can quickly select your preferred storage destination or application from the quick menu. The included ScanSnap Home software is your all-in-one application to manage, edit, and organize your scanned data. Using the dedicated software ScanSnap Home, you can easily leverage all your data. Automatic format recognition provides easy classification and filing, removing several steps in the organization process. Files are named automatically. Data management makes it easy to search for and use your information. Convert scans into editable Office documents and take your Office with you anywhere. The ScanSnap iX1400. Beautifully simple, effortlessly efficient.